The method is built on muscle memory. So when muscle memory goes, it's, for example, if somebody would like hand you a glass of water, first thing you do is you grab the glass. You didn't think you need to take the glass. You didn't think what's in the glass. No, you just grabbed your glass. So what happens? When you pitch to your potential prospect, the following occurs in his mind. Now you're laying the pitch. In his mind, he's like, it's another salesman. I've heard this all before. He is basically saying in your head, he's saying the pitch. He's got it in his head. He's saying the pitch that's going in your head, word for word for word, waiting till you take a breath. When you take a breath, he will contradict with, I'll have to check my time schedule. No, I'm not interested. We've tried this out before. We don't have the money for this right now. The method teaches you to get past all of that.